The robot evolution is going fast. Robots will soon be working closely together with people. But to be honest, there is room for improvement. A good example is the socially assistive robot in healthcare.
Would you like a nice cup of tea?
It needs to deal with patients, doctors, family, and children while performing complex tasks. This requires human-aware and socially intelligent technology. For example, looking at a person gives the feeling of eye contact.
Hello.
Eye contact is also very important for taking turns in a conversation. When a robot violates certain social rules, it is perceived as rude and impolite.
Hello. I speak 19 languages.
Before an interaction with a person can start, the person needs to be approached correctly. The first problem is to locate people and track their position. Under the hood, artificial intelligence is used to deal with complex and dynamic home environments. When approaching people, the robot also needs to choose the right distance and approach angle.
Do you need help? Do you need help?
Based on empirical research, models for personal interaction space are developed. That is why our researchers at the Social Robotics Lab at Eindhoven University of Technology work day and night on our robots' social skills.
Updating. Update complete. 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 Complete.
All of these elements work together in creating natural interactions between humans and robots, enabling us to work closely together. The Eindhoven University of Technology Social Robotics Lab.